Okay guys, so check this out. This was a basement painting job that we did in Florence, Kentucky in the Oakbrook community. Alright, it's just a simple basement, you know. Here, what we did immediately is we dropped everything off, protected everything, you know, just simple preparation, and then we went around and started fixing drywall repairs and stuff. We found 30 anchors above those doors right here. Check out this video. I'm Anthony Ford, the proprietor of ExtraPrep Pro Painting. I have a little tip for you today, if you will. So if you're doing your own interior painting or decorating, what have you, a lot of people ask me all the time, or they have problems with drywall anchors. You know, they're usually blue, some of them are red, you know, these little things that you put into the wall and then you screw your screws into them, drywall anchors. I go, how do you get them out of there? How do you get them out of there? They're so aggravating, right? Take a tool of some kind, like a hammer, something like that, just something that has like a thick end on it, right? Okay? And get you your grandpa's pocket knife or your pocket knife, however you want to do it, okay? Come on here, make sure they can see this. You got your music rolling the whole time. That's our air. So what you want to do is put your thing up there underneath the one that you want to take out, and then you want to take the tip of that drywall, that pocket knife right there. Make sure you come right up underneath of it, and make sure that you go in through the drywall and stab that anchor really well, and voila, push back and voila, there's your drywall anchor. You don't have a lot of damage. Here, I'll demonstrate it for you one more time. Take your knife, go right up underneath the drywall anchor. Sometimes you gotta work it a little bit. Stab it really well. And that's how you remove drywall anchors. Cut. I like that little video. It's a little dark, but it works. So then these are just pictures of us painting. Here's Tommy. He ended up getting a little paint on his hair. We joked around about that. And then actually Tommy painted the mantle on this job, and he did a really nice job. This mantle turned out really great. Here's me just, you know, goofing around. Let's see, more cut in, ceiling cut in, no ladder needed. I was tall enough to cut it in without a ladder. Sometimes that ain't the case, but this time I was able to get away with it. And then there's that mantle. There's the finished, the color's kiln beige. And that mantle just really pops. There's another picture of it. There's the kiln beige. You can really see it. Before it was like an off-white color. And these are supposed to be before and after photos here. Live in Northern Kentucky or the Cincinnati area and in need of a quality painting contractor? We would be happy to come out and give you a free quote. Visit ExtraPrepProPainting.com and click on the Get Quote button right in the middle of the top of the page. Thank you.